Aplastic anemia treatment in India. Aplastic anemia is a rare blood disorder that manifests because of the bone marrow's inability to produce adequate number of RBCs, WBCs and platelets. Aplastic anemia is more common in Europe and North America. In Africa, there is a variant of aplastic anemia, that is acquired aplastic anemia. CMCS Health is your global healthcare guardian. To know more about aplastic anemia, visit our website cmcshealth.com. Reasons for aplastic anemia. One of the major factors for aplastic anemia is an autoimmune disorder. That means body's own inherent immunity start destroying the bone marrow, so they are not capable of producing enough of the RBCs, WBCs and platelets. The other factors which are responsible for aplastic anemia are chemotherapy or radiation therapy due to a previous cancer treatment, exposure to certain toxin chemicals like benzene, pesticides and insecticides, certain medications like chloramphenicol and rheumatoid arthritis medication that contains gold compound, viral infections like hepatitis, HIV, cytomegalovirus and other viral infections. In rare cases, a woman's own immunity start destroying the bone marrow during her pregnancy. Unknown factors are also called idiopathic aplastic anemia factors. Paroxysmal nocturnal hemoglobinuria or Fanconi anemia can be the other lying causes responsible for aplastic anemia. Complications of aplastic anemia. Severe aplastic anemia, if not treated in time, can be fatal. Patients with aplastic anemia are prone to frequent infections. Complications due to low number of red blood cells. The patients who are having low number of red blood cells due to aplastic anemia are easily fatigued or having a persistent fatigue. Complications due to low number of WBCs, which are the forms the body's immunity system. The patient are prone to frequent and life-threatening infections. Low platelet counts. Platelets are responsible for blood clotting. Due to low platelet count, aplastic anemia patient may bruise and bleed easily. CMCS Health is your global healthcare guardian. How to diagnose aplastic anemia? Your treating clinician may recommend certain blood tests that includes the complete blood count, which will show low number of WBCs, RBCs and platelets, a peripheral blood smear and the reticulocyte count. He may also recommend the more confirmatory bone marrow aspiration and bone marrow biopsy. Visit our website cmcshealth.com to know more about aplastic anemia treatments. Treatments for aplastic anemia involves blood transfusion, that is red blood cells and platelet as well. Prophylactic antibiotics for infections which are quite common in aplastic anemia patients, and immunosuppression like ATG injections and cyclosporin to control body's immunity to destroy the bone marrow. A more treating form of aplastic anemia treatment is allogenic bone marrow transplant that cures aplastic anemia. Aplastic anemia treatment cost. The curative treatment for aplastic anemia is allogenic bone marrow transplant. Allogenic BMT can be done with 100% HLA matching real sibling donor, haploidentical or half-matched donor that could be either of the parents, or HLA matching unrelated donor, that is MUD. The cost of allogenic bone marrow transplant depends on the type of the donor, the conditioning regimen involved, and the expertise of BMT doctors and the treating hospital. Many international patients have received successful aplastic anemia treatment in India with our assistance. Best aplastic anemia treatment doctors in India are Dr. Rahul Bhargav, Dr. Pawan Kumar Singh, and Dr. Dharma Chaudhary, and many other competent and expert hematology and bone marrow transplant specialist doctors in India. To know more, visit our website cmcshealth.com. Top aplastic anemia treatment hospitals in India: Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurugram; Yatharth Super Speciality Hospital, Noida, India; and BLK Max Hospital in New Delhi, India; and many other top Joint Commission International and NABH accredited hospitals in India. For successful aplastic anemia treatment in India, visit our website, that is cmcshealth.com, or WhatsApp us your queries at